Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG update. This is a quick update on Zeta. So the last time I made this video, I made mention that you can get Zeta SP daily, but the team of this project have changed that. So now you can get Zeta SP weekly. So I've informed a lot of you in my Telegram community that you can get Zeta weekly now, and you're going to see your days after performing the task. You're going to see the days here. And for those of you that don't know how to start the task at all, to stay positioned for some potential reward, please make sure to watch the video. It's going to guide you on how to start. So you can see I've performed some tasks. So my next task is in 3 days time, as you can see on the screen. So this is my point so far. So a lot of you are still confused on how to go about the tasks. Please, I recommend you watch that video. Put this in mind, per any task you perform, you need to wait in the next 7 days. So now I'm going to refresh your memory on some Zeta tasks for you to perform to stay positioned. So now I'm going to use another account to show you guys how to go about it. So I'm going to just connect. So connect to my MetaMask. So like I said guys, if you want to know the genesis of how to perform your Zeta Hub tax, SP campaign, blah blah blah, make sure to watch that video. I explained it better, just that the explanation of some things are different, like where I made mention of daily tasks, which is now weekly tasks. I made mention also that the network was disturbing then, but now the network is working fine. So just connect your wallet. So this is just to refresh your mind on how to go about it. So connect your wallet. All right, I'm going to drop my link at the description of this video also. Verify you're not a robot. Alright guys, so it's going to bring you here. So take it down. You can see my SP so far for these tags. So you can see these are the tags I need to perform. Send Zeta. Okay, so you can see guys on the screen, everybody tags are the same time. So I think for everybody now to perform new tags, we need to wait for the next 3 days. So you can see next 3 days, I think that will be on Tuesday or Monday, depending on your zone. So now you're going to see Zeta tasks you have to perform. Try. So for you to get this in a cheap way using one Zeta, which is going to help you throughout the campaign, just use Izumi. So I prefer using Izumi. You can use Zeta Swap if you want, but okay, where is it? Get. Okay, this is the site for Zeta Swap. Let's see. All right, so you can use Zeta Swap if you want. So the reason why it's good to use Zeta Swap is for maybe some potential reward in the future, but I prefer using Izumi because Zeta Swap at times, after going through the process, they are going to tell you transaction failed. But I'm still going to try Zeta Swap if it is going to work. So yeah, my Izumi is already connected, so you're going to see option to connect your wallet. I've already connected my Izumi Finance. Yeah, for Zeta Swap, launch app, connect your wallet. So all right, yes, agree to the terms, then select MetaMask, then connected. So now let's see the tasks to perform. All right, so for the first task here, you're going to see maybe send Zeta in ZetaChain. What you need to do is to open your wallet. All right, open your wallet, copy your address. So if you have another MetaMask account, you can send Zeta to that account, then send it back to your main MetaMask account if you want. But you can follow this process also, like you copy your address, then you send Zeta to yourself. Okay, paste your address here. Now I'm going to use like 0.0001. Then you click next. Then you click confirm. All right, so wait for it to process. My transaction confirmed. Send. Now what you need to do is to refresh activities. All right guys, so you can see send Zeta in Zeta, which we did, and we also received Zeta back to our address. So we are done with this task. What you need to do now is just click on claim SP. You're going to direct it to your MetaMask. Then you just click sign. So if you're using mobile phone, you're going to just see only this star sign. So you click here, then you click sign. So we have done that task. All right, so this is to refresh your memory. So you can see that the SP has added. So you can click on refresh activities so that it will add in case it is delaying. So now you can see LP any core pool. You click okay. No, we are going to leave this yet. Then perform this. Receive BTC in ZetaChain, receive ETH in ZetaChain, receive BNB in ZetaChain. So let's use Zeta Swap first if it's going to work. So here you select Zeta as the sending token. And here you can select BTC.BTC. So let's start with BTC.BTC. So according to this instruction here, receive BTC in ZetaChain. So let's use 0.0004 is going to go. All right, please make sure to follow these instructions so that you can utilize your one ZetaChain. So a lot of you got one ZetaChain as reward. That one ZetaChain is mainly for this activity. So if you perform in this campaign, surely you're going to get massive reward at the end of this campaign. So you click on confirm swap and you wait for it to okay. So you can see guys what I say that Zeta Swap is behaving. So I prefer using Izumi Finance. So come to Izumi Finance, connect your wallet, select ZetaChain as the main network, select ZetaChain here. Okay, select ZetaChain here. Come to this side, that is the receiver. You now select, let's start with BTC still. Now I'm going to swap 0.0004 BTC, sorry, 4 Zeta token to BTC. So you click outside, just tap outside because of the network, just tap anywhere outside here. Then it's going to pick out, then it's going to fetch out the price. Then you click on swap, then wait for it to process, and your wallet is going to open. What you need to do is to confirm the transaction. All right, now you click confirm to confirm the transaction. Now wait for it to process. So transaction submitted, ongoing. So you wait for it until it is successful. Looking on the screen, swap successful. Now you go back to Zeta Hub. All right, go back to Zeta Hub and click on refresh activity. Okay, very soon you're going to see that. Yeah, you can see now you can claim the SP for receive BTC in Zeta. So before you can claim this SP, let's just complete some tasks like receive ETH in Zeta, receive BNB in Zeta, receive Zeta. Okay, I think we have done this. Receive Zeta in Zeta. Maybe it's the network that is still delaying this, but we have done these two tasks. So now let's just do the receive ETH in Zeta, receive BNB in Zeta, and receive Zeta in Zeta. Sorry, we have done this, so no need of it. So in case it was not successful, I'm still going to do it. So we just have like 3 tasks to perform here. So instead of you going back to claim this, just do this at once. Maybe after you have swapped the BTC, just swap some Zeta to ETH and BNB. So now you change this to 1, change that 4 to 1, then come down here and you select okay, let's start with BNB. So now you click outside to fetch the price. Just make sure to tap outside. If you're using mobile phone, just tap outside. So now you click on swap, you wait for it to process. Now you click confirm swap, wait for it to process. All right guys, so you can see swap successful. So you can go back to Zeta Hub to refresh, but not to delay your time, you just come down here again and select ETH.ETH. So you can see we are still using the 0.0001.0, that is 0.301. You click outside to fetch the price. Done. Now you can click on swap, wait for it to process so that you can confirm it in your wallet. All right, now you click confirm. Processing. Hey guys, swap successful. So we are done with this. So you go back to Zeta Hub. Now what you need to do is to click on refresh activity. All right, so wait for it to process. So we are done with this. Now you can see we are done with this, So now what you need to do is to click on this LP any core pool. So this is going to give you 5,000 SP. So you just click here, just click on it. If you're using mobile phone, just click on it. It's going to direct you to a new page. And it's going to bring you here. What you need to do is to click on any of these token of your choice, but I'm going to use BNB. So it's going to bring you here. Now you're going to see the balance of your BNB. Like the balance of my BNB is 0. 1 2 3 4 5 5 zeros, 0.50142. So I'm going to use, so make sure it is below that amount, 0.1234561. Yeah, I'm going to use this amount so that I can get this. So you click on preview deposit and click on confirm. Now what you need to do is to confirm the transaction. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, transaction successful. Now you just click done, then you click home. For those of you that want to know the genesis and want to use your mobile device, I recommend you watch this video. So now what you need to do is to just click on NSP. Now you bring it down. So they have finally received this. See Zeta in Zeta. So now what you need to do is to just click on refresh activities. Wait for it to process. Okay, so we have done all the old tasks. So if you want to refer, you can refer, but as of the time of making this video, I don't know, the referring part is not working, but I'm going to drop my link. Please make sure to use my link. I'm going to drop all the steps also you have to take. I'm going to drop the website for Izumi. I'm going to drop the website for Zeta Swap. So you can use their in-app swap, but it's not advisable because per any transaction you have to do, maybe swap Zeta to BTC, they are going to charge you up to 2 Zeta. So just avoid that and use this cheap swap so that at least you can use your 1 Zeta. Where so now I'm going to claim all these. You follow the normal procedure, click on claim SP. If you're using mobile device, you're going to see a star sign. Click to confirm the transaction. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, I've claimed all the SP. So once you're done, just click on refresh activities. Alright guys, after clicking on refresh activities, you can view your SP earning history here. So we are done with the SP blah blah blah. So for now they have just did like 3. So the rest are going to add very soon, or you can refresh the page. So you can refresh the Zeta Hub page. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, we have successfully added the SP and we are done with this week task. So in the next 3 days, you can come back and perform the new tasks. So please make sure to be serious with this because 6% of the total supply is going to be a drop to the ZetaChain SP community, and this SP is going to be used to determine your allocation. So during their testnet, people that got 80k points qualified for the Zeta Airdrop. So qualify for the Zeta Airdrop. So it's good you are serious with this so that you'll be among those that are going to get some potential reward. So guys, I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. So if this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Updates, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your wallet.